Hello everyone, welcome to the new video. In this video we will work on this list group items that how we can make them expandable. Let's say this is a list group item and which contains multiple items in this group. So when user tab on this, then we see all these items of this group, and user can tap on this again to collapse or to close this group items. So we will work on this in this video. So let's proceed. So you can find the initial code for this video from the video description below. So first we will work on this group header that show arrow up icon here. So for that we go to to-do list content, and in that we have this to-do LazyColumn composable, which contains this LazyColumn, and here we have sticky header. Here currently we are showing text only with some background color and padding. So we will wrap this in a row. Modifier width, fill max width, and move this text within this row, and apply this background and padding to this row, and set the height weight 1F to this text. So next we need to show an icon here. So we already used an icon composable in our list item in here. So we copy this from here and go to our header area, and in here we paste it. Remove this extra code. Okay, and also do some refactoring here, clickable. Alright, so now we are showing this arrow up icon in this group header. So when user tap on it, then we need to collapse this list of items. So for that, what we will do is first we will see that in our to-do list view model we are holding that to-do items information in our hash map, where key is a string and value is a snapshot state list. So we pass this key to our view model, which is a string. So in our to-do list action, we define an action here by pressing Ctrl D, make copy of this one, collapse list group, passing the key in it, and in our to-do list content here we send that action. So on action to-do list action dot collapse list group and pass the key in it. And in our to-do list view model, in here we have the when condition to handle all those actions. So press Alt Enter, add remaining branches, and here we have this collapse list group action, and here we call the method collapse list group and pass the key in it. So press Alt Enter, create this function, and in that we implement the logic to hide that information. So here we have this to-do hash map information which we are presenting on the UI side. So we make a copy of it and create another hash map which will be named as collapsed to-do hash map, and will contain mutable list of to-do model. So what we will do is whenever user will tap on any item, then we store that items in this hash map and remove that from this primary hash map which is presenting on the UI side. So in our method collapse group, here we will create a variable items mutable list of to-do model, and access this to-do hash map and get the data from here, state list, and add that items in this items list. So items dot add all state list, and also clear this state list. And now we will add these items in the other hash map, which is collapsed to do hash map. Put key and items in it. So now let's run the app and verify this behavior. Okay, so our app is up and running, and we are seeing this up arrow icon. So if we tap on this one, then our list will be collapsed. So next we need to work on this step, that when user tap on it again, then the list group should be expanded, and when the list is collapsed, then here we show the down arrow icon. So we go to our, so for that we go to our to-do list content, and in here we apply a condition here that if values is empty, then we show the arrow down icon, and if it is not empty, then we will show the arrow up icon. And also send the action based on this values list. So new action, if values is empty, then which means that this list is collapsed, and we need to send the expand list group action. So actually, for first we create action here, press Ctrl D, expand list group, and in here we send the action to do list action dot expand list group and pass the key in it, and otherwise we send the collapsed action, collapsed list group action, and pass that action in here. And in our to-do list view model, here we have this when condition on the action. So press Alt Enter and add remaining branches. And in here we call the method expand list group and pass a key in it. Press Alt Enter and create this function. And now what we will do is we get this list from this collapse to do hash map and put it back into do hash map. So we have the items from collapse to do list, get key, and if it is null, then mutable list of. And in our to do hash map, we get the state list. State list dot put add all items, and also remove that from this collapse to do hash map. So collapse to do hash map, remove key. So yeah, this is it. So let's run the app and verify this behavior. Okay, so our app is up and running. So let's tap on this one, and items are being collapsed, and if we tap on it again, then items are being expanded. So with this we come to the end of this video. So I hope this would be meaningful information for you. So thank you for watching. Bye.